This video in this channel is solely for educational purposes. The author has no affiliation to any agency. If anyone has any objection regarding the video, please comment on the comment section or message us so the author can delete it.
Kazuzangpo everyone. After the completion of the project, the client or the procuring agency gives the average performance score out of 100. So most of the engineers and the contractors got confused how it is converted into 10. Today in this video, I will show you all the details about the average performance score and how it is calculated. Before proceeding with the video, if you're new to this channel, please follow our page. If you're watching via Facebook, there are lots of informative content in this page. And please subscribe our channel if you're watching via YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. As per the evaluation guideline for procurement of works, there are two stages to award the work, namely technical score and the financial score. For the first stage, that is technical score out of 100, capability will carry 70 points and capacity will carry 30 points. In capability, similar work experience carries 10 points. Access to equipment carries 20 points. Availability of skilled manpower carries 20 points. Average performance score from previous work carries 10 points. And works completed in last 5 years carries 10 points. In capacity, bid capacity carries 25 points and credit line available carries 5 points. Today, I will just focus on how the average performance score is calculated. Now, firstly, the APS score is given out of 100 by the client or the procuring agency, and then the system will convert it into the 10. The 100% performance score will be composed of the following parameters. On-time completion 30%. Quality of execution 70%. Now let's take an example. For Project A, the client or the procuring agency give you the score of 60 in quality and 30 in on-time completion, which makes the total of 90. If you directly convert the 90 into 10, you will get the score of 9. But APS is not calculated like this, and that confused most of the engineers and contractors. Now, if you look at the scoring pattern mentioned in the evaluation guidelines, if your score is 100%, you will get 10. From 100, 1 mark lesser for every 5% point decrease in score, and if the score is less than 55%, your APS score will be 0. Now, if your score is 100, you will get the full APS point, that is 10. If your score is between 95 to 99, your APS score will be 9. If your score is between 90 to 94, your APS score will be 8. If your score is between 85 to 89, your APS score will be 7. If your score is between 80 to 84, your APS score will be 6. If your score is between 75 to 79, your APS score will be 5. If your score is between 70 to 74, your APS score will be 4. If your score is between 65 to 69, your APS score will be 3. If your score is between 60 to 64, your APS score will be 2. If your score is between 55 to 59, your APS score will be 1. If your score is less than 55, your APS score will be 0. Now let's take one example to make you understand clearly. Example 1. The construction of Lungton Zampa Bridge is completed and the procuring agency, Timpu Thramd, gave the APS score of 87 to Jaru Construction Private Limited. Now let's refer this scoring pattern. 87 is between 85 to 89. So the APS score got by Jaru Construction Private Limited is 7.